Hello kids, today we shortly learn parts of speech. There are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, article, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjunction. Noun. A noun names a person, place, thing or idea. Person like Myra, boy, doctor. Place like New York, park, school. Things like hen, watermelon, car. Idea, fairness, friendliness, acceptance. Pronoun. A pronoun replaces the names of a person, place, things or idea in a sentence. Like you, we, they, him, her, he, she, me, it, I, these, that, these, those, each. Verb. A verb tells a noun's action or state of being. Actions as jump, think, want, run, dance, eat, fix. State of being is, am, are, be, have, has, was, were. Adjective. An adjective describes a noun or pronoun. Like size and shape, order and taste, texture, appearance. Size and shape, tiny, long, oval. Order and taste, nutty, flowery, shower. Texture, prickly, smooth, leathery. Appearance, bright, beautiful, faded. Article. An article comes before a noun in a sentence and sometimes shows if the noun refers to a specific or general person, place or thing. General, a dog, a farm, an apple, an octopus. Specific, the dog, the farm, the apple, the octopus. Adverb. An adverb tells how often, when or where it can be described a verb, an adjective or another. Like verb, how loudly, how quickly, how often always, how often never, when before, soon, where away, inside. Preposition. A preposition shows the relationship such as direction, time or placement between a noun or pronoun and another word in a sentence. Like about, across, after, above, below, behind, around, before, between, over, under, beneath, into, through, to, inside, toward, near. Conjunction. A conjunction joins two ideas or shows the relationships between two parts of a sentence. Like and, or, but, so, until, if, because, through, unless, while, although, however. Interjunctions. Interjunction expresses strong emotion and often followed by an exclamation point. Like, ow, bravo, hurry up, oh no, hey, well. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, kids.